Yo-ho! Prof here. I got a quick video. I'm rather tired if it looked tired. There's the squares. We're back from work. We got a box here. It's from Performance PCs. These should be the fittings. Told them it was the last bits I needed to finish this guy down here. Anthrax9 with all the Noctuas in it. We got our reservoir, we got them out. I got the Cooler Master right angle 24 pin. In here though, I don't know what that is. I ordered up fittings. Here we have, those are G1/4 matte rotary compression. So these are straight, there you go, you can see it, they're straight rotary compression fittings. They're 5/8 outer, 3/8 inner. There are 4. If you follow my Twitter, you would have seen my awful diagram that I drew when I was super tired after work the one day. Here is just some straight G1/4. These are all Bitspower, by the way, because after my luck with Primo Chill, I said screw it and spent the extra and went with Bitspower. All of my Bitspower fittings previously were even they went through multiple nasty loops and have not had any issues. So these are just 2 standard non-rotary compression fittings. They're for places like in the upper left here where we have barely any clearance. I can't have that extra length of a rotary fitting. Alright, Squeers is cleaning off the CPU there. Then we have a big ol' stack, and this is of right angle 90-degree rotary compression fittings. These are what are going to give us, and we're using all wow, I'm tired. Flexible tubing, but with a bunch of the angles we need to do, we still need a right angle because it's just going to come off in the wrong direction to be using a straight fitting. Originally I went with the Primo Chill fittings because I had money back from when I used their fluid, their View fluid, and I was able to return it because they shipped it to me in the dead of winter. It was, well, dead of winter, January, and they later on put a thing to not ship it when it's cold out. So the other thing we have here is the FC terminal angled. What it is here is this. I've already swapped out on the 28 Ti, so the fittings come straight off the side. Here's the original. They would normally go up and down on either side. With my build, it's going to be easier to come straight off the side. So we have the 750 Ti over there. If you notice, that one goes up and down as well. In our box here, we have, oh geez, this is far harder than it should be. We have basically one that come out the side. Now they're angled. They're like that'd be a 45-degree angle off the side, but we'll make it work. And that's why I have those 90-degree rotary fittings. You might be wondering why we just don't take both graphics cards and go up and down, up and down. The reason why we can't is that is an alpha cool block. That is an EK block. They don't line up. So now getting to this bag. It's a Bitspower bag. I did order quite a bit of Bitspower fittings. Those rotary compression fittings are about the not cheapest. Here, you want to open this guy? Up. They sent a plushie? Is that like... He's got a Bitspower tag on him. Open him up. Is that like Bitspower's mascot? Because their logo is on the bag there. It's normally like this like dragon thing, I think. Yeah. So they sent over a Bitspower plushie. Well, I guess we have to, we gotta shill a little bit. And, oh, look at his tooth! Look at his tooth! He's got a little tooth! There you go, you can check him out. Little Bitspower guy. with a little tooth. So, yeah, it's, I don't know if this is supposed to be like a little, like, cute mascot dragon, but that's their normal logo. Well, thanks to PowerPCs for sending this over. There you go, baby dragon. Drangog. I don't know how that works.
Baby design.
Alright, guys. Well, what we're going to do here real quick is put on some fittings. And, yeah. Thanks for checking out the video. As always, thanks for checking out the video. If you liked it, hit subscribe. See some more updates on Anthrax9. Throw a like if you have any comments on, the fittings, the plushie, anything else. Throw it down in the comments. You can always hit me up on Twitter at TheProfosist, or the channel is at TechExchangeThe. And as always, the website is the-tech-exchange.com. And we'll see you in the next one.